Charlie, say happy 4th. Charlie. He's like, there's something on me. It's like the hubs decided to burn some brush. Doesn't look like it's going to take that long. Yep. We got good rain last night, so the ground is saturated. Anyway, all the trees we had taken out. There's the tiny house. Is the house locked? The little house? I'm not sure. Go look. Here's her wood wall in her little house. The hubs had all this wood cut and stuff, and then she painted it, picked out the colors, and they did all this and laid it out yesterday. The day before they had done all the insulation on this particular wall. They wanted to get this one done because we have a faux fireplace she wants to plug in right there. They'll get it together quick, I'm sure. Here's my first little squash, guys. First time growing squash. And it's growing. This is in tires. Got lots of blooms in there. Baby squash. Pretty neat. These are trees. It's pretty nice out. So here's where my sunflowers landed on my little wall, on my little sitting area. Just little doodads that I've picked up along the way. There's my little herb sign in my basket. And this has to be the cheesiest Afghan I've seen, but it's an Afghan and somebody's granny made it, so I have to have it, and I'm going to love it. But it's perfect for today. These are actually live plants I got a long time ago. Or at the beginning of this season, not really a long time ago. Anyway, that's what we did so far. My little messes now. There's my little chickens. I just did a little... Things just really didn't work out today, so I didn't get to decorate like I wanted to for the 4th. Does anybody do their garden with kids' clothes? I thought that was so cute. And I like it, so that's all that matters, isn't it? Anyway, I'll show you what else I found. Y'all have a great 4th of July.